All right, welcome to the Odessey, and this is the Sandpiper floor plan. So if you haven't watched all of our videos, I would encourage you to look at all the Verdin videos, because what I think Taylor Morrison did here is they took all of the consumer feedback of things people love in houses and maybe they don't like, and they've solved those problems with all of the different collections here, from Discovery all the way up to Capstone, Odessey, like the Sandpiper we're in, okay? So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, follow, because we're new construction home specialists. That means we're gonna show you everything you need to know about buying a new construction home, keep you safe, show you how to have an amazing experience, and save a ton of money buying a property. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you all of the incentive programs that we're running right now for this Verdin community. For now, let's go check out Sandpiper. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities, and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17, because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here, because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, I said it before, I was sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. So walking into Sandpiper, what I really like is there's a couple of separate bedrooms here, and they each have their own, plenty of space, little nook, great for kids where they can, you know, have their set up for homework, things like that. They have their own walk-in closet, but they also have their own bathrooms. Instead of having the kids fight over bathrooms, who's taking a shower, who's not, right? Kids come home from practice, they have their whole extra like separate pantry here too, for maybe food, snacks, or storage. And then again, this is one of the other, I would say, hall or kids bedrooms. Again, same, it's got its own walk-in closet, it's got its own bathroom. So if you've got kids and you want a single level, big floor plan, lots of space, this is a really, really nice house for families. Coming through here, again, kind of the theme with Verdin is really, really nice wide hallways. They make you feel like you're in a very grand home. Coming through here, right, we've got your laundry area, tons of space here, all the stuff you would expect from a traditional laundry room up here in Verdin. We're gonna save the best for last, which is the RV garage. I'm not gonna go there yet, but I'll bring you there in a minute. Coming through here, this Sandpiper floor plan is very, very big. So when you walk in, if you want a lot of space, bigger lot, and a really big open floor plan, this might be a good one for you, right? Kitchen, as you can see, all of them have big islands, but the distinguishing feature of the Sandpiper, other than that huge RV garage, I think is this main living area, right? It's a ton of space. And then what I really like too is there's a office here that could be a bedroom, because this has its own closet, little walk-in closet back here, or extra storage. So this house has a ton of storage. I feel like the Sandpiper is really well equipped for a family with 1, 2, 3, 4 kids, right? A lot of space. Coming back through here, we've got our walk-in pantry. Plenty of room here. And then before we go to the primary, there's another ensuite bedroom. Great for kids again. So another distinguishing feature of that Sandpiper is all of these guest bedrooms have their own walk-in closet and bathroom. So again, walk-in closet, could be coffee, getting ready area, another full bathroom here. You just don't see that stuff too often with some of these layouts. So all the kids get their own bedroom, bathroom, and closet, which is really nice. Nobody has to fight or worry about bathrooms and showers and things like that. And then if you like a layout that opens back up, this is like we've seen some of the other layouts. This is a triple sliding door that you can get in the Sandpiper to go right out to your yard. And if you're somebody who wants to get a lot with views, reach out, right? Schedule a consultation with us so we can make sure you can pick out a lot that works for you, where you can really see the beauty of the Sonoran Desert out here. So coming through here, we've got the primary and the primary bathroom. Really nice, great setup. Not overly big, but it's big enough. It's still a really good size. And you've got obviously your dual vanities, freestanding tub, shower. Where it's big is the closet, right? So if you need closet space, Sandpiper is really, really good. It wraps all the way around here. I think this is probably one of the bigger closets you're gonna find. Now, let's go to my favorite part. I told you I'd save the best for last. So as you're walking through these homes, if you meet one of the following things, if you've got an RV or you want to buy an RV, if you've got a boat or a big truck or custom cars, or if you've always dreamed of putting a golf simulator in your property, or a private pickleball court, or a man cave or a woman cave, then the Sandpiper is for you. I'm going to show you the best part and why this could be a really good one for you to see. Now, before we go there, as I wrap up, if you want to come out and see these properties in person, all you have to do is call, text, email, fill out the link below. We can schedule a consultation. I can help take you through, figure out which collection is right for you, and help you save time, money, and stress during the process. We have a rebate program that can save you up to $10,000 buying a house here. Let's put that money back in your family's pocket. And if you have a house to sell, no worries, we can take care of that for you. We can bring you guaranteed cash offers, and we can also help you list and sell your home on the open market for as little as 1%. It's a no-brainer. I would love to meet you personally out here, walk you through the different collections, sit down with you, help you make Verdin your next home. Reach out today. Let's go out there. And now let's finish at that epic RV garage. Now the showstopper. Whether or not you have an RV, you might just want to buy this floor plan, okay? So the RV garage is huge as expected, but check out how this is laid out. So if you have an RV, obviously this is a no-brainer. RV, big truck, toys, plenty of space. But maybe you're like me. I don't personally own an RV, but I love golf, pickleball, all that fun stuff. So you could build a golf simulator in here. You could have your own private little pickleball court, things like that. So these are climate controlled garages with the plugins for your Tesla or your EVs, right? You could have a lounge, a man cave, a woman cave. I think the way this is set up is perfect to show you that just because you don't have an RV doesn't mean you might not consider this, buying this. If you've thought of, hey, I really want to have a fun house to entertain, have people over, put all the games, Sunday game day right here. You could have all your games on. Fellas, Sunday football is going on right here. There's seats here for people to hang out, maybe have a drink. Down there, you could put a golf simulator, all sorts of fun stuff, right? Or if you have an RV, truck, toys, custom cars, obviously you should come see it and I'll help you buy it because it's a great floor plan. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.